Good day, employers. I am Mary Lamara, 31 years old, single, and I am an undergraduate in college. I have a 2 years experience as a helper here in the Philippines. I took care of two kids. They are both boys, age 3 and 5, and I also took care of two dogs and two cats. I have a 4 years experience as a helper in Hong Kong. I took care of a kid. She was 4 years old. My main duty is to take care of the kids, marketing, cooking, reading short stories to the kids, and play with the kids, and of course, all the housework. My hobbies are playing ball activities like badminton and table tennis. And I also love reading short stories. I can cook simple Chinese dishes like stir fry with steamed chicken or fish. I am a hardworking person. I respect you a lot and always. I have a good attitude. I can work without supervise. I can follow instructions. I'm looking for a long-term employer who is pretty nice and treating as a family. And that's it. Thank you for having time listening to my self-introduction. Thank you and have a nice day.